Hey guys, hi. I ordered this blender from Shopee, if you can see that here, Express. So this is a portable blender, and I'm gonna open right now. Okay, so let's check it out. Okay, so it has been trend on viral online about this portable blender, and apparently many people are ordering this type of blender. There's too many different shapes. I could manage to see and to notice what's the difference and why the prices are low and expensive. All right, so this one cost me around $15 or around that price. Okay, still cheap, still really good price for this one. There's another one around $5, which I don't really recommend for that. All right, because the battery is 2000 milliamp. The strength of the motor is really low. It's 3 volts and stuff like that, right? So these are matters when you want to buy such a things. All right, so this one is 4000 milliamp battery, 5 volts, fast charging, and it's really good, right? So according to the rates there, and yep, here we go. So I guess that's Chinese language. Yeah, all right. So it's really nice packed. Has been damaged a little bit here, but anyways, let's open it and see what's gonna happen. Your pure juicy life. Nice. All right, so let's see what we got inside here, right? So if you can see here, we got the charger. It's micro USB charger. Unfortunately, I was really hoping for type C. It will be much better if we got type C, right? We have the cap, right? And let's see what we have here also. I'm not sure what's that cover for. And we got the main thing, right? Let's see what we have here. Okay, so that's the box done. We have the menu here. You look at it, and we have all the information in English and I believe Chinese, right? So I really love the shipping. It just like 4 or 5 days, and I received the whole thing, right? So it was amazing and fast. Wow, what is that? Okay, I'm not sure what are these. It's like a rubber. I'll check them out. I'll check them out in a while. Let me just open the main thing here, right? So let's throw this one, and let's try to open this one. Wow, feels like premium, feels like really good. Okay, that's what I like in this. All right, wow, all right, that's cool. So basically we'll be able to cover this one like that, right? And then we'll be able to close this one, then you'll be able to take it with you, and it's really light. Okay, so that's cool, and I love that. That's really nice style. So we put it back here. Is there any rubber here? Yes, there will be a rubber inside, so watch out, guys. Okay, so here we go. That's cool. Now I got what's that? What's this for? Okay, so we covered these ones. Nice, we covered these ones. I'm not sure why they didn't put it originally there, but this actually should be there from the factory. Yeah, so anyways, they gave me one extra. I still have one extra here. Then here's the charger. Yeah, nice. It's really sealed properly, so I don't think the water will be going inside it, right? So this is pretty good, and I think there's no, oh, Nice. Okay, I need to learn. Okay, yeah, it's blinking. So that's a good, really good light, means it's out of charging. And the spin of the blade, 6 blades. Just make sure that you're buying 6 blades, all right? This is really good. Yeah. So that's what I'm saying. There's a sensor here as well. There's a sensor here, right? So this sensor will make sure it's not gonna spin unless you close it properly. And see, it's giving you an instruction to tell you this should be here, right? It's empty. So I'll charge this one, all right, and check it out, and guys, let you know what's happening. Anyways, you guys can see here all the details. 4000 milliamp, it's 5 volts, and yeah, all the details are here. This is one of the best. I've been searching online for a while. I couldn't find the best, what is the best so far, but this is the reasonable price. I'll try it out and let you know, guys. All right guys, so finally, after 4 hours of charging, I used my Samsung charger. Took around 4 hours to become blue. This one became blue here, the light. All right, so I have made some fruits here, got some a little bit here, and so I'm gonna try it out right now. All right, I got some honey and also water with me. So I'm not sure if I can put from here, which people can do. Let's try to put from the top, if it can fit. Oh wow, okay, that can fit. So I'm using half orange and half green apple, just to try it out. Just mixing things out and see. So they're advising do not fill it maximum. I was reading the instructions, and so basically they say do not fill it up too much. So let me wipe my hands. All right, okay, so here we go. I'll just put a little bit of honey here on top of it, and a little bit of water to make the blending easy, right? Sometimes you need a little bit of water. Okay, that's it. That's more than enough. All right, so I'm gonna close it up now. You guys can see it like that. Yes. Okay, so here we go. Double tap. Cool. Done. Turned off. I'm not sure if it was a timer or you see. Wow, okay. I'm not sure. Let me click again and see if it was a timer or not. Okay, so for the safety measure, I believe it was a timer, right? You can see here there's a measurement as well, so maximum. So there's a timer just for the safety, right? That's pretty good. So one click should stop. All right, perfect. So how we can use this one? So I try to understand and try to figure out. So you have to turn it out like that and open it, then put this one on top and close this one. So let's try it out. All right, here we go. So this one can be separate. I guess should be okay. This one can be like that, and this one can be like this. Here we go. So you have your juice done. That's all. You like it? All right guys, so took from me 4 hours to charge it. They spoke to me on the live chat and they told me 6 to 8 hours until the blue light comes on. So actually took from me 4 hours, and that's perfect for me. That's pretty good. And that's all, guys. Cheers, enjoy. Hey guys, so finally, so my opinion on this is really beyond the expectation, and it's costly between $15 to $20 shipping. It's portable. It's really amazing. I mean, I wasn't expecting the quality of this one. This is plastic, but it's really thick plastic. It's feels like glass, and I was amazed. Wow. It's amazing. I love it. Yeah, wow. Highly advisable. I really advise you guys to buy it. Really good for students, or people who travels a lot like me. I'm living in Malaysia, of course not in my country, so I like to travel between time to time. So I travel mainly riding my motorcycle around Malaysia, right? So and sometimes I go travel in other countries in Southeast Asia. So this is gonna be with me most of the time. Not really heavy, but still it's really good, and especially in Malaysia or in Southeast Asia country, you will be able to find these kiosks in the middle of the street who sells all the fruits and stuff like that. So you can just carry it with you or buy it at the same time and put it inside here, and you can make it directly. For those people who goes to the gym every day or 3 times a week or 4 times a week, and they don't have time to keep shaking the protein, which I face the same. Now I can just take this one with me, right? I can just take it with me to the gym, and I can make my milkshake or the protein shake or whatever I want. It's amazing. I love technology. Cheers, guys. See you next time.